फाउंडेशन के थ्रू सेल्फ हीलिंग और प्रोग्रेसिव रिलैक्सेशन की एक्टिविटी ली जा रही है, तो उसके बारे में साधकों को क्या साधना होनी चाहिए, उसके बारे में आप जानकारी दीजिए और उसके क्या फ़ायदे हैं उसके बारे में बताइए.
Right. Before proceeding for the 21 days self-healing and progressive relaxation challenge, I want you to understand certain things which affect our health and happiness. मैं थोड़ा इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. तो like say for example, why we behave the way we do, why we do the things we do the way we do them. Yes, it's about neurocognitive and behavioral approach. In short, the point to take home is that understanding how our brains work and its impact on our behavior, which in turn has a major impact on how we see ourselves and others. So possibly it will help us in like to be at peace with ourselves and be more tolerant towards others, so that this world can be a better place to live in. I'll be more elaborate, like say if we can understand what part of our brain is active when we say things or behave in a certain way, and if we can influence that part of the brain rather than focusing on the actual situation, we can alter our behavior and things can be more easy for us. So this self-healing and relaxation, it directly makes us our those part of brains and those brain structures to behave accordingly, so our life could be like really easy and we can really feel healthy about it.
ओके, तो ये ब्रेन के कौन से हिस्से हैं उसके बारे में बताइए.
Well, there are four major brain structures responsible for 10,000 decisions a day we make. The first one is the reptilian brain, which is responsible for our survival instincts. Second is your paleolimbic brain, which is responsible for our self-confidence and trust in others. The third is neolimbic brain, which drives us deep into the core of who we are, our personalities, our motivations. And the fourth is prefrontal brain, which makes us unique in this animal kingdom, which makes us human, which has got multiple dimensions.
ओके, तो हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर पाए कि हमारा कौन सा ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिव है?
Well, good. In that case, I would want you to spare some time for answering 5 questions, which could be an activity before actually going for this healing. You can note it down and answer after thoroughly interrogating yourself, and that's the journey within yourself. Say, for example, the first question: what is the biggest, deepest, and the most personal question you have been struggling with in your life? You have to dig deeper in answering this question. Then the second question is, why we get stressed, and does it serve any purpose? I can give you hints, like we get stressed. Some of the people get stressed because if they've got more work and less time. Some of them get stressed owing to the responsibilities of the near and dear ones. These are the hints, like you have to find your stress factor. Then the third question is, what you do when you are stressed. Possible hints could be like people usually get attracted towards addictions like substance abuses of tobacco, alcohol, overeating, or simply sleeping over the problem. Anything you can have, you have to identify your thing. The fourth question is, if you see someone stressed, how do you feel about him? I mean, hints could be like you feel pity about him, you feel like, a timid, a poor chap, or you feel like other way around, like this fellow, like a phoenix, can come back after a big setback. These are the hints. Think of someone else who is in stress and what feelings you generate for him. And the final question, fifth question is, if you see someone very calm and relaxed when everyone else is stressed, what do you feel about him? Again, you have to dig deeper in this question. Answering all these questions, you'll come to know what kind of brain part is active in a given particular situation. Thank you.
ओके, तो जैसे प्रोग्रेसिव रिलैक्सेशन है, उसके पहले हमें कोई सावधानियाँ उसके हमें ध्यान रखनी है। तो सबसे पहले स्नान करना है, फिर हल्के कपड़े पहनने हैं, ब्लैक कलर को अवॉइड करना है, लेदर की चमड़े की चीज़ों को अवॉइड करना है, और डू नॉट क्रॉस योर लेग्स। बस इस तरह से काफ़ी कुछ आपके जो क्वेश्चंस थे उसके जवाब आपको थोड़े फार मिल गए होंगे। तो फिर मिलते हैं हम कल सुबह मॉर्निंग 5:30। थैंक यू।
Thank you.